As I've been hiking, I've been thinking about the ways in which hiking and storytelling are actually quite similar, in that when we're walking through difficult terrain or taking readers through difficult emotional terrain, we owe them gifts of beauty or humor, the equivalent of, say, snacks and a drink or something. And it doesn't need to be right as humor. It doesn't need to be humor if that's not for you, but beauty can be just the simple beauty of the language or imagery or a character who helps you through or sees you. But even more critically, at some point there needs to be a reason why we're doing all this slogging. We need to take the reader someplace, I call it the cliff top of your psyche, to show them a fresh perspective, something they didn't see at the beginning that they now see and understand. Some gift of insight or perspective that you didn't have at the time, but that you're offering them now.